nice stacked picture of him.
Okay.
Kato! Kato! What is this?
Do you need bait? I got a couple pieces if you want it.
I've got bait too.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Kato!
See if I can zoom.
What is that? What is that?
Put that tail up.
Hey, buddy, come on.
There you go.
Hey, what's this?
There you go. Handsome boy.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Is his top line relatively straight?
No. If you have let me get to a better angle and it might help.
He's like trying to look at you.
Yeah.
I've got eggs, Annie. Yes.
There you go. That's better. Good boy. There you go.
Okay, and he's got really good movements. So
Okay.
Let me see if we can get some pictures of that.
Okay. Let me get to a better spot.
So let's do a
You want front movement?
side gate.
You want side gate first? Okay.
Come on, buddy. Well, that wasn't really very good. That wasn't very good either. Come on, buddy.
There you go. A little bit better.
Let's get a good running start on it.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Okay, you want to do down and back?
Yeah. Come this way. I'm just keeping it all continuous so you can cut what you want.
So everyone realize we're not looking at my grody agility clothes. Come on.
Oops. Sorry.
Kato. He was a Jet and Andy puppy that the owner, she co-owned.
He's not really paying attention.
No, he's got too many other things to focus on.
I got my mother's color and my daddy's temperament.
Really, he looks like Jed in the face and everything. Yeah, he
Get
is
that
Jed's
pretty-
puppy. Yeah,
get
that's
that
what she
pretty
was just
face.
telling me. Really?
Oh, you look just like your daddy.
You want him
Only
to look
better.
this way or not? Yeah, let me get some better. Let me get him kind of.
Getting dark though. I thought if I could maybe make him look up at me.
You want front or side?
Do you want him looking at you?
I guess that's pretty decent.
Poor guy, he's got all kinds of distractions going on. That silly dog barking at him.
Okay, maybe that'll be enough.